Sound inside of a digital audio workstation is often represented by a box with a lot of squiggly lines in it. Those squiggly lines represent sound in a somewhat tangible way. We'll call these little boxes audio clips. When mixing, we're taking multiple audio clips, however long, whether mono or stereo, and combining them together into a single file for others to listen to. In most DAWs, these digital audio clips are placed into tracks. Tracks are containers with various controls that give us a place to work with and manipulate these audio clips. Tracks allow us to alter many aspects of the audio file contained within the clip. A primary ability of a track is its ability to control volume or the loudness of an audio clip. All of the tracks are then combined or mixed together through a special kind of track called a master fader or a main fader. After being mixed, you can then listen to, bounce, or render your completed mix as a single file with all of the different elements combined together. And that's a short overview on how mixing functions.